All right, this is the Microsoft Lab Enhance Power BI reports with slicers, interaction, and formatting. And I clicked the Launch Lab button and then the Start Lab button, and that launched this screen. So I'm going to download the lab files to the D drive. And I'm also, I want to remember to click on that and select Fit Windows to Machine. I don't know how much difference that makes, but I'll do it. And I will also double click on the Power BI desktop icon to launch Power BI, and I should be logged in to the Power BI service as well in case that is necessary for this lab. So that's going to the files have been successfully copied. Get started. All right, cancel out of that. Now we can click next. Design a report in Power BI Desktop Part 2. The estimated time to complete this lab is 45 minutes. In this lab, you will enhance the sales analysis with advanced design features. In this lab, you will learn how to sync slicers, create a drill through page, apply conditional formatting, and create and use bookmarks. This is one of a series of number of labs, and this is number 8. Exercise 1 is configure sync slicers. All right, so you do need to sign in. I think I'm already signed in, so I think I'm good on that. You go to powerbi.com, that'll redirect to app.powerbi.com. You sign in, go to your workspace. And task 2 is you open the report. In this task, you'll set up for the environment for the lab by opening the starter report. You've already got it, then you don't need to repeat this, but we'll assume we are starting here. I don't know, it says sign in. I probably do sign in. All right, I will sign into this lab, so I'll pause the recording to sign in right here in the virtual machine. So I'll pause the recording and sign in to Power BI service on the virtual machine. Okay, so I did sign in to the Power BI service using my account that has a Power BI Pro license. So I've completed that task. So should I try to do it from here? Maybe, I'm not sure. I think so. Go to D and DA100 and labs 08 design report. And then starter and sales analysis, and then open. It's working on it. I'll choose file, save as, go to D, and then DA100, then my solution, and save. Okay. So that was task 2. Task 3 is sync slicers. In this task, you will sync the year and region slicers. You will continue the development of a report created in the Design a Report in Power BI Desktop Part 1 lab. In the Power BI Desktop, on the Overview page, which is the page we are on, set the year slicer to 2018. And I'm going to go to View and Actual Size. Okay, that will help me with changing the year to 2018. Okay, go to the My Performance page. All right, I'll try to scroll down. How do I get down? How am I going to scroll down? Oh, maybe I need to like scooch over. Maybe close these up. No. All right, I can go to the My Performance page as requested. And I am to notice that the year says 2019. Yeah, year slicer has a different value. When slicers are not synced, that says 2019, it can contribute to a misrepresentation of data and frustration for report users. You'll now sync the report slicers. Return to the overview page. And then select the year slicer. On the View ribbon tab, from inside the Show Panes group, click Sync Slicers. In the Sync Slicers pane, at the left of the visualizations pane, in the second column, which represents syncing, check the check boxes for the Overview and My Performance pages. And it should look like that, which is what we did. On the Overview page, select the Region Slicer. Sync the slicer with the Overview and Profit pages, or Overview and Profit. Test the slicers by selecting different filter options and then verifying that the synced slicers filter by the same selection. Okay. Choose 2020 and choose Australia Fair because it's the first country. We'll scroll down to Profit. And this one is Australia and 2020. It's a little hard to read, but it is Australia on the region slicer and 2020 on the year slicer. On the Profit page and on My Performance page, it is FY 2020. And does it say Australia anywhere? I don't think it does, but that is different. Okay, good. That's great. All right. To close the Sync Slicer page, click the X. All right, I'll go back to the Overview page. Oh, I guess I can just click the X to close Sync Slicers. That was exercise 1. On to exercise 2, configure drill through. In this exercise, you will create a new page and configure it as a drill through page. When you've completed the design, the page will look something like this, and I can't really see that. So I'll go to another URL and I'll just take a look. The finished project is supposed to look like. Okay, it looks like a table with subcategory color, quantity, sales, and profit margins with category, color, and sales and profit margin and the totals. All right. So go back to instructions. Task 1 is create a drill through page. In this task, you will create a new page and configure it as a drill through page. Add a new report page named Product Details. Right-click the Product Details page tab and then select Hide tab. Hide page. Report users won't be able to go to the drill through page directly. They'll need to access it from visuals on other pages. You'll learn how to drill through to the page in the final exercise of this lab. Beneath the visualizations pane in the drill through section, I'm not sure I understand that. Okay, all right. Beneath the visualizations pane in the drill through section, I need to add drill through fields, so I need to scooch over and expand the fields. Excuse me, and I need to add product and category. I say drill through field to add there. Okay. The labs use a shorthand notation to reference a field. It will look like this: product, pipe, category. In this example, product is the table name and category is the field name. And they closed that up, so I'll close it up. To test the drill through page, in the drill through filter card, let's open it up again. Select bikes. All right, so open that up. I don't. Category is all. I don't see how to select bikes only. Do I need to go someplace else? Lock filter. Don't know what to do about that. Post product and category. I don't know what page I should be on because I'm not seeing that. Should I be on the overview page? I don't know. I'm not sure. But let's try. And the drill through category. It still just has all. How do I change it to all? Drill through the filter card. Drill through the filter card. I don't understand what that means. I am not understanding what that means. Add to filters? I don't know. I'm not sure. Bikes. All right, we are trying to create a drill through page. So let's go here. Let's say add drill through page. Set up drill through in Power BI reports. Okay. Oh. Not sure. Right-click the manager column and choose add to drill through. Drill through. I think it already is in a drill through. I do see a back button. Is there a previous page in that report? No, I don't think so. Huh. If I go to product details. There's a back button. I do not understand how that worked. Hide the page. Visualizations, beneath the visualizations pane. All right, so we're supposed to create a new page, hide it. Beneath the visualizations pane. Does this one even have a visualizations pane any longer? I don't know. I don't see it any longer. Oh, it does. Okay. So I have added, oh, I have two. I don't need two. To test the drill through page in the drill through filter card. It just isn't showing what I want to see. Keep all filters is on, cross report is off. Wow. I just don't see how to like get anything more out of that. How to like expand that. Add a card visual to the page and then resize its position so it sits to the right button, the remaining page. Card. So I've selected a card. Drag the product category into the card visual. Configure the format options for the visual. That doesn't look very easy to read. I wonder if I can. All right, that's a bit easier. I click on format. Options for the visual, then turn off the category labeled off. Okay. Set the background color to a light gray. Need to like get further down on that. I don't think I can. That's a bummer. All right, I got something. All right, it's light gray now somehow. Add a table to the visual page. Maybe add a table visual to the page. And then resize and position it so that the card visual, so it's beneath the card visual. All right. That seemed to overwrite my whole card visual. I don't understand that. Maybe I needed to, maybe I just overwrote it, and I need not to do that. Let me put my card back. Nope, I've done that again. All right. All right, got that. And all right. Do the card again. Drag the product category. I think it's already there. I think. And the category label is off. Set the background color. All right, now I'll click off of that and then click the table. All right, now there's a table that's below. Add the following fields to the visual: product, subcategory, product color, sales quantity, and sales profit margin. Oh, I need sales first. Sales, and then sales profit margin. Nope, that is not what I wanted to do. Remove that. What do I need to do to remove that? Because I want it removed. Oh, maybe uncheck. No, I still want that removed. What about that? Remove. Okay. Profit margin, I want to be part of this table. Okay, now it's there. Configure the format options for the visual, and in the grid section, set the text size property to 20. All right, that's 20. Design of the drill through page is almost complete. You'll enhance the page with conditional formatting in the next exercise. All right, I'll scroll up a little bit. I'll scroll up on this one too. And what if I do view actual size? Would that help? I don't know. I'm not sure. Not sure that I liked that. What if I fit to width? I'll just go with that for the time being. And if I want to change it back, I will change it back. All right, that was exercise 2. Hopefully it was okay, because we will try to proceed to exercise 3, add conditional formatting. In this exercise, you will add the drill through page with conditional format. When you've completed the design, your page will look something like this. Paste that here so I can get it more of a look. It's supposed to look like that. Oh, great. That's the conditional formatting. And that. Okay. Go back to instructions. Task 1, add conditional formatting. In this task, you will enhance the drill through page with conditional formatting. Select the table visual. It is selected. Ooh, yeah, it should be selected. In the visualization pane, click on the down arrow on the profit margin value. I do not see that. Am I clicking? Oh. In the visualization pane. Fields. Okay, there we go. I have to click on fields. Click the down arrow on profit margin to expand that, and then select conditional formatting. In the icons profit icons. Okay, let's choose icons. What happened? There it is. Okay. All right. In the icons profit margin window, in the icon layout drop-down list, select right of data. Nope. To right of data. To delete the middle rule at the left of the yellow triangle, click X. Okay. All right, get rid of that rule. Configure the first rule, the red diamond, as follows. In the second control, remove the value. What does that mean? In the third control, select number. I guess it means what? I'll get rid of that. Choose number. In the fifth control, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll choose 0. And the sixth control, I'll make it a number. Configure the second rule, green circle, as followed. In the second control, make it 0, and then a number. And in the fifth control, we'll remove the value. And make this one number also. The rules can be interpreted as follows. Display a red diamond if the profit margin value is less than 0. Otherwise, if the value is great or equal to 0, display a green circle. Oh no, the dreaded click OK. Holy cow. Oh, I can get there. Good. Good. In this table, verify that the correct icons are displayed. All right, I'm gonna see if I can expand that a bit so I can, oh yes. I'm gonna need to make that a bit larger just so I can see that positive values fit to page. All right, yeah, I can see a little bit better now that the positive value has green, negative has red, and so on. Okay. Oh, the numbers are different. I have 1.29. I'm not sure why that is, but carry on anyway. Configure background color conditional formatting for the color field. Okay. The color field. Background color. I'm not sure where that came from. I don't know how that was done. Configure background conditional color on the color field. Color. Page background. I'm not sure this is correct. I think it's applying to the whole thing and not just the variable. Do I add color there? Ooh, I don't know if I wanted to do that. Not sure that was the thing I was supposed to do. I don't think it was. Additional formatting, background color. This is the background color window. In the format by drop-down list, select field value. Based on the field drop-down list, select product, formatting, background color format. Click OK. I'm not sure that that was what I was supposed to do. What if I click on color? Okay. Maybe I'm supposed to do here, conditional formatting, background color, do format by, what do I need to do? Background color, format by, field value, applies to, based on field drop-down list, choose product, formatting, background color, format. Click OK. All right, that, whoa, gray, that looks really bad. Okay, I don't like what I did. Can I get rid of this thing that I don't want? Maybe move. Okay, that looks terrible to me. That looks unreadable. So I'm not sure if that was what I was supposed to do. I don't think it was. I looked at the picture and it did not look like that. Is that the picture? I think it was. No, it was not the most current one. It was that. No, I can't tell if that's what's happening right now, but continue anyway. What happens if I change the view? Well, it doesn't look like much right now. All right, repeat the steps to configure the font color conditional formatting for the color field. Did I not just do that? Repeat the previous steps to configure font color conditional formatting for the color field using the product format font color format field. You may recall that the background and font colors were sourced from the colorformats.csv file in the prepare data in Power BI Desktop Lab, and then integrated with the product query in the load data into Power BI Desktop Lab. I don't think I've gotten that right. Oh, that looks worse. Field, conditional formatting. We want to do the background color. Oh, the font color. Okay. Font color. Is it going to be black? And if you field value, and then based on field, product, formatting, font color format. All right, let's click OK. Okay, that did something, but I don't like what it did. I don't think that was the intended result. So I don't think I'm going to get something that looks like that picture, unfortunately. Oh, I wonder if maybe when I clicked on, if I still have like still selecting Australia and that's causing the problem. Yeah, what if I do that? Nope, it still looks all black. All right, I don't know. I do not know. That was not quite what was in mind. Okay, anyhow, that for better or for worse, that was exercise 3. Exercise 4, add bookmarks and buttons. In this exercise, you'll enhance the My Performance page with buttons, allowing, go to the My Performance page, allowing the report user to select the visual type to display. When you've completed the design, the page will look like the following. Ha ha, we'll see. We will see what it looks like. And my final result did not look like that. Sorry to report. Anyhow, that is the target for this lab. Task 1 is to add bookmarks. In this task, you will add 2 bookmarks, one to display each of the monthly sales / target visuals. Go to the My Performance page. On the View ribbon tab, in the Show Panes group, click Bookmarks. On the View ribbon tab from inside the Show Panes group, click Selection. In the Selection pane, beside one of the sales and target month, there's 2. I'm not sure why there's 2, but there is. In the Selection pane, beside one of the sales and target month, to hide the visual, click on the eye icon. Okay, that's hidden now. In the Bookmarks pane, click Add. To rename the bookmark, double-click the bookmark. In the visible chart is the bar chart. Rename the bookmark as bar chart on. To edit the bookmark in the Bookmarks pane, hover the cursor over the bookmark and click the ellipsis and select Data. Wait, I think I need to like uncheck. Oh, so data is unchecked now. There's no green check by data any longer. Disabling the data option means the bookmark won't use the current filter state. That's important because otherwise the bookmark would permanently lock in the filter currently applied by the year slicer. To update the bookmark, click the ellipsis again and select Update. In the following steps, you'll create and configure a second bookmark to show the second visual. In the selection pane, okay, toggle the visibility of the 2 sales and target by month items. All right, so I guess that means we'll show that one and hide that one. Okay. In other words, make the visible visual hidden and the hidden visual visible. Looks like that, which it does. Create a second bookmark and name it. All right, I guess we're going to click Add and name it appropriately, either column chart on or bar chart on. We're going to call this one column chart on. Configure the second bookmark to ignore filters, meaning turn the data option off, and update the bookmark. In the selection pane, to make both visuals visible, simply show the hidden visual. Is it visible now? I think it is. Resize and reposition both visuals so they fill the page beneath the multi-card visual and completely overlap one another. Tip: to select the visual that is covered up, select it in the selection pane. Okay. I don't think they're covered up. I have so many things to close up. Okay, that gives more space. That's nice. Okay. In the bookmarks pane, select each of the bookmarks and notice that only one of the visuals is visible. Okay. You get one or the other when you select them. Okay. The next stage of design is to add 2 buttons to the page, which will allow the report user to select the bookmarks. That was the end of task 1. Task 2 is add buttons. In this task, you will add 2 buttons and assign bookmark actions to each. On the insert button, or insert ribbon, from inside the elements group, click button, and then select blank. Blank. Maybe it went right there. Position the button directly beneath the year slicer. I don't even see the year slicer. I have to close that up a little bit so I have more room. I don't see the year slicer, so I'm not sure. Oh, okay. I think I did that okay. All right, so it is beneath the year slicer now. All right, select the button. It is selected. And then in format, maybe I need to go to here. Don't know. Button, format, button. Select the button, and then the format button pane, turn the button text property to on. So that's button text. Yes, it is. Expand the button text section, then in the button, all right, expand it. Then in the button text box, enter bar chart. Expand the background section. And then set a background color using a complementary color. I don't know. How about the lightest blue? On the action property, where's the action property? Action property to on. Turn that on. Expand the action section. I'll close up the background section and I'll expand the action section. And then set the type drop-down list to bookmark. Oh, maybe I need to scroll down here. Okay. Set that type to bookmark. Right, type is now bookmark. In the bookmark drop-down list, select bar chart on. Oh, maybe I need to like scroll down further in action. Visual header. Is there anything else? Is there, what if I fold that up? Is there anything else? In the bookmark drop-down list. I don't know that I see a bookmark drop-down list. Maybe there was. Type bookmark. Oh, okay. In the bookmark drop-down list, select bar chart on. I don't see that bookmark. Bookmark bar chart on. Okay, let's see. Create a copy of the button using copy and paste. Oh, do I have to? The shortcut commands are Control C and Control V. All right, let's scroll up and it is selected right now. Let's go to Control C and I hope that copied it. And I'll do a Control V. Try to move it away. Yep, okay, so it's beneath the first button, I hope. Select the button text. Okay. I'll try to select my second button. I can't tell if I'm selecting the second button. Maybe I need to close these things up and take a look at what I've done. That's bar chart. This one's bar chart too. All right, I'll move this one down. Okay, that's good enough. All right, that is selected. The second button is selected. Set the button text property. I don't think I need filters open. Selection, button, bookmarks, button text. I'll call this one column chart. The action. We'll close that up. Now that we have set the button text. Scroll down to action, expand action. It's a type of bookmark. And then we want it to be column chart on. It already is. That's good. The design of the sales analysis report is now complete. So task 3 is to publish the report. In this task, you will publish the report. Select the overview page. In the year slicer, select FY 2020, which is selected. In the region slicer, select all, which it is. Save the file to Power BI desktop. All right, click save. We'll save it, but also click File and Save just to be doubly sure. The file must always be saved prior to publishing to the Power BI desktop service. On the Home tab, inside the Share group, click Publish. In the Publish to Power BI, notice that My Workspace is selected. To publish the report, click Select. Replace, yes. When the publication has succeeded, click Got it. All right, I got it. Now we can close Power BI, but I prefer to leave it open. You will now explore the report in the Power BI service in the next exercise. Exercise 4, explore the report. In this exercise, I guess I'll find out if these buttons and whatnot that I made work or don't. And the drill down, I'm really doubtful about the drill down. Anyway, in this exercise, you will explore the report in the Power BI service. Task 1 is explore the report. In this task, you will explore the report in Power BI service. In the Microsoft Edge browser window in the Power BI service in the navigation pane, click the Service Analysis Report. Oh, that's something different. We'll go here. Workspaces. Sales Analysis Report. That does not look refreshed. That is interesting. Why does that not look refreshed? Oh, nope, doesn't look refreshed. Dashboards, sales and marketing, reports, sales analysis. That did not look refreshed to me, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know that this got, I don't know if I need to wait a few minutes. I should go back to workspaces. I'd really like to see that be updated, and it's not. It's like an hour and a half behind. What if I hit F5? Yeah, didn't do anything. I'm not gonna have a report to explore if it didn't publish. So I don't understand why that happened. I'll try. I've saved it. I'll just save it again. And I'll just try publishing it again. It's in my workspace. Okay, maybe I should make sure I'm in my workspace. Choose, got it. All right, let's go back here and let's go to, do I have my workspace? Where's my workspace? My workspace, sales analysis. Okay, that is updated. All right, let's get that open. Open the report. I hope that was the correct time. Yeah, this has that now. Should have looked at when it was updated, but I did not. But I think this should be correct. Correct report to open. So let's see if the drill through works. On the overview page in the quantity by category visual. Overview page, quantity by category. I don't even know what that is. Is it this one? Quantity by category? Whoa. Okay, wow. Quantity. It can't be this one, so I guess it's this sales by country and category. That's interesting. Okay. All right, in the overview page, in the quantity by category visual, right click on the clothing bar. I don't have a clothing bar. Well, it didn't work. Quantity by category. Huh. I don't have a quantity by category visual. Huh. I don't think I got this one. Because I don't think I have a visual like that. Oh, I do have that. All right, never mind. All right, click on clothing. All right, what am I supposed to do once I find clothing? All right, to test the drill through report in the overview page in the quantity by category visual, right click the clothing bar and then select drill through product details. All right, we'll right click the clothing bar. It says right click. That's promising because it said right click to drill through product details. What will happen if we click that? Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm shocked. I did not think that was going to work. And it looks okay. Gosh, that's surprising and good. Notice that the product details is for clothing. Yes, it was. To return to the source page at the top left corner of the page, click the arrow button. Select the My Performance page. Wow, I'm amazed that worked. I was not sure. All right, we'll go down. I'll scroll down. How do I get to the My Performance? Oh, right here on the left. Okay, another moment of truth. Click on each of the buttons and then notice that a different visual is displayed. We'll find out. All right. Bar chart. Salesperson is Michael Blythe. Column chart. What if we click there? No, it's not quite, it's not doing it. I did not get that quite right. Yeah, it's kind of stuck. Huh. This is strange. It says the text says the salesperson is Michael Blythe. All right, what if I uncheck him? Ooh. I'm not sure that I don't think my buttons are functional. Click on each of the buttons and notice that a different visual is displayed. Nope, I didn't get that one, but can't win them all. Task 2 is finish up. In this task, you will complete the lab. To return to your workspace, in the banner across the window web page, click My Workspace. My Workspace. Cool. And then leave the Microsoft Edge browser window open. Congratulations. You have successfully completed this module, kind of. To mark the end of the lab as complete, click End. All right, thank you.